Good afternoon, Heine Haynes Show for Scale. Today from Browning we have the Escalade edition bird and trout knife. 8.5 inches overall with a 4-inch mirror polished 9CR stainless trailing point blade. Full tank construction, nickel silver bolsters, black fibre liners, jigged bone scales. A very classic, elegant bird and trout style knife. Very good size. Very good control with a nice finger choy on there. Also comes with a top grain leather belt sheath, as you can see. So if we put that together, there we go. A very nice, classic, elegant bird and trout knife. That's the Escalade from Browning.